Good day, ladies and gentlemen, especially to our dear panel, a blessed day. We are the Group 7 presenting our studies, the impact of automation tools on operational efficiency, profitability, and adoption barrier in dropshipping businesses in Nueva Ecija. First, before we move on, let me introduce our team. I am Ryan Vincent de los Reyes.
I am Alan Jan Aldea.
I am Cherry Ande Guzman.
I am Crisel De Leon.
I am Jamaica Aldemir.
The overview of these studies includes abstract, introduction, problem, objectives, methodology, results, conclusion, and reference. And now, let's move on to the abstract. The integration of automation tools offers a transformative competitive advantage for micro, small, medium enterprises that engage in dropshipping in Nueva Ecija. This study demonstrates that automation has a high impact on profitability and very high impact on both time reduction and scalability, confirming that technology adoption is vital for boosting a regional e-commerce growth and achieving the SGD 8, which is the decent work and economic growth, and SGD 9, the industry, innovation, and infrastructure. However, the full realization of this immense potential is being systematically constrained by a single external factor, which is the poor local internet connectivity. While the entrepreneur shows a strong motivation to adopt these technologies, and limiting the factor is not a lack of funds or a technological knowledge, the deficiency technological infrastructure act as primary bottleneck. So therefore, ladies and gentlemen, our dear panels, the most critical strategic intervention required to unlock the full economic and social benefits of automation and drive to sustainable growth in Nueva Ecija's dropshipping sector is improvement of local internet scalability and accessibility.
Introduction. Our introduction explained that dropshipping has become popular because it's easy to start and does not require storing products. Many people in Nueva Ecija are doing this business, but they face problems like slow manual work and shipping delays. Automation tools can help by making tasks faster and more accurate. Since there is a little local research about dropshipping in the province, this study aims to understand the impact of automation tools in operational efficiency, profitability, problem. Problem 1 aims to describe the basic profile of dropshipping businesses in Nueva Ecija. It looks at where the businesses are located, how long they have been operating, and how much they earn monthly. This information helped the researcher understand the background of the respondents and see where their location, experience, or income might affect how they run their dropshipping business. On problem number 2, it focuses on how much dropshipping businesses use automation tools. It examines whether these tools are easy to connect to sale platforms, if owners know how to use them, and whether automation reduces their manual work. It also looks at how often these tools are used and how important owner thinks automation is more for improving efficiency. This helped the study assess the overall level of digital adoption among dropshippers. Problem number 3. This involves assessing how automation is taught to influence key metrics such as reduction in time spent on routine tasks, improve accuracy of business data, subsequent increase in monthly revenue, reduction of losses and manual errors, an improvement in overall profitability, and enhanced scalability of the business. The second core area is identify the barriers that affect the adoption of automation tools. Then, section number 4, these obstacles include external factors like the high cost of tools, difficulty integrating with Philippine e-commerce platforms, and the poor internet connection. as well as internal challenges such as a lack of technical knowledge and a preference of manual processes.
First, our study aims to describe the business profile of dropshipping enterprise in the area, specifically looking at their location, years of operation, and estimated monthly income, so we can understand the current landscape and scale of dropshipping activities in the province. Second, we seek to assess the level of adoption and use of automation tools among these businesses. This includes examining how easily automation tools can be integrated into their operations, how well business owners understand and properly use these tools, how much these tools help reduce manual workload, and how regularly they are used, and how important these tools are perceived to be in daily business tasks. Third, our study aims to evaluate the perceived impact of automation tools on operational efficiency and profitability. We look into whether automation contributes to reducing task time, improving data accuracy, increasing revenue, minimizing errors, enhancing overall profitability, and supporting the scalability of their business operations. Lastly, we aim to identify the barriers that hinder the adoption of automation tools among drop shipping businesses. This includes understanding challenges such as the cost of automation tools, lack of technical knowledge, difficulty in integrating tools into existing systems, poor internet connection, and the preference of some owners to continue using manual processes.
Next is methodology. In this study, we use a quantitative descriptive research design, which means we gather numerical data to describe what is happening in real businesses today. We surveyed all 20 dropshipping businesses owners in Nueva Ecija through a structured online questionnaire. This allowed us to measure how much automation they use, how they think it affects their efficiency and profits, and what challenges they face when adopting it. After collecting these responses, we analyzed the data using basic descriptive and statistic such as frequency counts and weighted means. Through this process, we were able to create a clear and reliable picture of how long e-commerce businesses are using technology.
Results. Our study employed a quantitative descriptive research design to survey 20 dropshipping business owners in Nueva Ecija. Using a structured questionnaire, finding revealed that automation had a high impact on profitability and operational efficiency, with very high impact on reducing routine workload and improving business scalability. The primary barrier to full automation adoption was poor internet connectivity, while factors such as cost and technical knowledge were not significant obstacles.
And to conclude it up, this study shows that while global digital transformation has made dropshipping a vital business model, particularly in the Philippines with accessible e-commerce market like Shopee and Lazada, business in Nueva Ecija has significant operational struggles. These local dropshipping companies are hindered by the use of manual processes for a crucial task such as order tracking, supplier communication, and logistic, which creates a competitive disadvantage and operational challenges. The research decisively suggests that adopting AI and machine learning powered automation tools can effectively solve these provincial e-commerce issues. Automation is confirmed by both existing literature and this study to be crucial for key performance improvement, including the reduction of human errors, better inventory management, and higher customer satisfaction, which strategically aligns with the Philippine National Economic Strategy for digital adoption to help small businesses to overcome the archipelago-based logistical difficulties. The studies underscore that automation is essential for non-metro micro-entrepreneurs to achieve the both profitability and innovations. So ladies and gents, to our dear panels, this study provides actionable guidance for entrepreneurs, local government units, and policymakers to foster a more equitable and sustainable digital economy by prioritizing the technological adoption for continued local competitiveness. And that concludes our research presentation. Thank you very much and God bless you po. Thank you, Dr. Gamit, for that question. Based on our RRL, the automation is considered an essential strategic tools for MSME competitiveness in the Philippine e-commerce market because it directly addresses the significant operational and geographical hurdles. Automation provides a necessary remedy to inherit the challenges faced by dropshipping MSMEs in archipelagos country, particularly in manual and error-prone process for order tracking, supplier communication, and logistic that leads to competitive disadvantage. By reducing human errors and improving inventory management and customer satisfaction, automation elevates the operational efficiency, which is crucial for profitability. So by that, automation is vital for improving scalability, allowing the MSME to handle higher order volumes and transition from basic operation to sustained growth. Because of that, the adoption of automation tools is aligned with the national effort as pointed out by bodies by McKinsey and Company and the eMark Group to deepen the country's participation in e-commerce and improve the national competitiveness. Yeah. And ultimately, by simplifying the complex tasks and freeing the entrepreneurs to focus on strategic growth, automation support the Philippine Development Plan and contributes to the realization of SGD 8 and 9, making it the critical foundation for equitable and sustainable economic growth in non-metro areas.
Thank you for that question. In my own interpretation, what it means is that for dropshipping owners, this is where the operation have truly changed, the most due to automation. Because when repetitive and manual tasks like updating inventory, processing orders, and replying to customers are automated, that work becomes faster and easier. They are no longer overwhelmed by slow and tiring manual steps, so they have more time for more important tasks like marketing and customer management. That also shows that automation tools really have a big impact on daily operations. Besides that, enhanced scalability also has a high rating because automation helps businesses handle more orders without needing to add extra effort or manpower. Even if the transaction volume increases, the process won't slow down because the business is automated. So, as you can see in the results, automation tools have the greatest impact where it matters most, in speeding up work and in the business availability to expand. That's why many entrepreneurs are experiencing smoother, faster, and more sustainable operations compared to manual methods.
Thank you po for that question. Quantitative descriptive research design was selected because it enables a systematic, objective examination of the current state of tool adoption and its perceived effects, directly addressing what is questions about utilization levels, impact on operational efficiency and profitability, and adoption barriers. This design aligns with the study's objective by quantifying variables through structured data collection, such as mean score from Likert type items, to describe the central tendency of tool usage. The strength of perceived benefits on business performance and the intensity of challenges like infrastructural or financial hurdles, allowing for statistical generalizations about the sample's attributes.
Thank you, Dr. Fronda, for that question. One of the measures in Chapter 4 for improving the situation was to involve the local government units together with DTI and DICT in uplifting the internet services of the whole province. The research pointed to the installation of better infrastructure such as fiber optic networks as another way to support the usage of automation. Another suggestion was to establish programs aimed at MSMEs that would enable them to have easy access to the tools as soon as the internet connection becomes more stable. Improve the internet connectivity would lead to more dropshipping firms in Nueva Ecija and winning up the whole province to be able to depend on automation, accelerating their transactions and expanding their customer base.
Thank you for your questions. By improving digital system and support programs significantly boost the profitability and operational efficiency of dropshipping. MSEMs. Faster and more stable internet connectivity enables the seamless function of real-time automation tools, such as inventory, syncing, and order updates, which reduce processing errors, minimize delays, and increase customer satisfaction. Furthermore, an upgraded digital system allows MSEMs to handle a higher volume of orders without increasing headcount, facilitating scaling and directly contributing to greater profit potential. Complementary support programs, including digital training and monitoring, are crucial for owners to acquire the technical skills necessary to effectively utilize automation for tasks like products, listing, and analytics, leading to better decision-making and save time. Finally, financial assistance or subsidized partnership offered through these programs lower the cost barrier for adopting digital solutions, encouraging wider use of technologies that result in smoother operation and higher earnings.